shut up. Alright, so we're back, guys. This is the
barnacles!
No, this is not
barnacles. Seriously, these are barnacles. Pretty cool. I think
Okay, we're back. And like I said, there's a lot of stuff here.
I think some of these barnacles are still alive.
Yeah. I guess what we're doing now is we're just looking around for stuff. Whoa, look at all this. You guys get stones on the ocean? This is the master do this. Check this out. See that? Look at this. I'd love to jump out there and swim. There's probably a shark out there. Ah! Hey dude, check this. Dude, Taylor, check this. Oh my gosh! Did you see that? Did you see it? Ah! 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 Oh dear God. Oh, that's not bad actually. Come on. Oh jeez. The master right here. Watch out! It's coming for us! Jalen, check this out. Jalen. Jesus. Okay. Oh gosh, Aaron's gone. The aliens claimed him. Seriously, where'd he go? Let's. Wait, here he is. What are you doing?
Scratching off this cake.
Dang. Look at these rock formations. I'm getting all sciencey. What? What? Whoa! Holy crap, guys. Holy crap. This is a cave. This is a cave.
Whoa, bro. Guys!
What? Right behind you.
Dude, Jalen.
This is awesome.
Dude, look at those. Look at those. Jalen.
Guys, look, come here.
Look at this. Look at this. Guys, what are those handprints? Why would a baby be in here?
Maybe it wasn't a baby.
What would it be? A monkey?
I mean, look at the little indentations.
What would it be then?
That would make. I don't know.
Wait, Jalen, does this look like rock art? You have psychic powers! Look at.
You think some animals in here? The footprints are all over the place. There's no way a baby could have. Wait. Hold on. I see something. You guys see that orange? Oh wait. Rust.
Guys, I want to go near that. There's a lot of rust on it over there. Alright guys, let's
Let's get out of here. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Ugh.
Why would there be handprints over there? It's too small to be human.
Well, there's indentations in the middle, which means it has to be some type of animal that has padded feet.
Did you not notice the thumbs?
Yeah.
The thumbs, dude. Thumbs.
Yes.
Things that only primates have, and it's illegal to have a pet monkey in California.
Yeah.
Shrimp. And also, it's actually part of a wild shrimp. Not exaggeration. It's an actual shrimp. Look at that. That's cool.
Dude,
we should show walking back.
Wait, check that out. Is that a cave too?
I'm not sure.
Let's check.
Sea caves are awesome.
I know. All right, let's see. Do we have a cave? Do we have a cave? We don't have a cave. We don't have a cave. There's no cave. There's no cave.
Oh, look at that.
Uh-huh.
Is that your dog? You're adorable. Your dogs are adorable. Your dogs are adorable.
Hey, let's check that out.
I wonder if we can find any treasure here.
We might.
Dude, you have to snap a picture. Okay, I'm snapping a picture.
Oh my gosh. You guys, look at that. That is just crazy.
Your jacket is
Okay. You guys, come here. Look at the water. You guys, there's water coming down from here. Ah. Whoa. Yuck.
Is there water up there?
Yeah. It isn't drinkable,
Where does it come from?
but it's water, all right.
Did you drink it?
No. Why did I drink that? I'm not that crazy. No. Okay. Let's see. What else we have? Come on. There's got to be another sea cave. That can't be the only one. Are we always on the lookout for something awesome? Where?
On here.
Oh, nice. They look like
How do you gotta get to the block?
two. So. Oh, dang it. Okay, I'm out of time, guys. So, looks like there's not a lot of stuff left here. So, I am going to end the series here. Thank you very much for watching. This was Jalen. This is a 5 freaking part series. It might be 6. I haven't been keeping track. So, this is going to take a lot of editing. But, yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is Jalen. Have a good one. Bye-bye.